Hey, this is Carl from the Share team. I'm here with Anna and John. Say hi, Anna and John.
Hello.
Hello.
And when are we here, guys, doing our gardening Q&A?
Well, that is a very good question, Carl. We are here at 6:15, and you can either join us on Facebook, and to do that, you have to be in the Facebook group Get Out and Grow with the Happy Homesteaders. So if you fancy it, just put that into the Facebook search box and join the group, because there'll be lots of lovely gardening pictures in there as well. And Anna, there's another way to do this as well, isn't there? So I was just wondering what that is.
But you can find us on YouTube as well as the Facebook group, and you can get in touch on the StreamYard live stream as well, of course.
Fantastic. Thanks, Anna. So on YouTube, on a Monday night as well, 6:15 Portugal time, and send your questions in to Anna, who will ask those questions on your behalf on 351 on WhatsApp, 913-590-303. So we'll see you all soon, 6:15 on a Monday night, Portugal time, with all those gardening
so will
questions.
head gardener Lee McGrady, who we forgot to mention.
And let's not forget that old rascal Lee McGrady, who is the head gardener, who is the authority on these matters. Ciao, ciao. Bye for now. See you then.
Bye.